let's get started here. What I need to do is continue to protect the hood as much as possible. I got some scrapes and things on here. I don't want to talk about how I got those. We will not discuss that. Here is some moving blankets that I use. These are really good. I like these. Buy these at Harbor Freight, a couple bucks. They're really good to come in handy for all kinds of stuff that you want to protect against, leaning against stuff. So, what I've got going on here. Alright, so here is my cutout. I got everything protected over here. Here's my Dremel. I'm going to be using a 2-inch cutoff wheel. I have some air shears, but I don't know how those are going to work. I think I've got a little bit more control with this. Be a little bit more careful, a little bit more control with this. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, I got it mounted on a little stand. I got a little thing here. I got my cool little foot pedal so that I can control the speed of the Dremel with my foot while I'm trying to brace myself to keep still. Cross our fingers and hopefully this goes well. Alright, Dremel is on. Okay. Actually, taking off my nice designer glasses and putting on my prescription safety glasses. Not pretty, but it works. And because I have horrible hearing as it is, some hearing damage, I'm being a pansy about this and I'm putting hearing protection in. Sorry guys. I don't need to go any more deaf than I already am. So here goes nothing. Ooh. One of the things, here we go. We got 2 lines already done. One of the things I didn't mention, I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, I got some photos of it, but right underneath here is the hose for the windshield wiper fluid. So don't forget to take those off. I've removed those. I also put one or two of these blankets underneath the hood above the engine so that all the stuff is getting captured, all this junk is getting captured on that blanket, not going down anywhere into the, onto the engine anywhere. So anyway, I got 2 lines here. Check it out. It's too late now. I'm committed all the way, so let's keep moving. Yeah, y'all saw that. Woo. Oh, on that note, I'm gonna take a short break. Gotta put a new blade on there, or a new disc on there. I think shot off and barely missed my face. So should have had a face shield on, but you know how it is, us tough guys, we don't listen to that kind of stuff. So alright, take a pause for the cause. Alright, let's clean off some of this air. Oh, I'm sorry, this air. Let's clean off some of this junk here. Obviously, there's a lot of aluminum shavings, filings. I do not want to wipe this with a rag, otherwise And it probably would have been good if I just covered the whole hood. So far, so good. I'm gonna wait till I cut that top line before I raise the hood. And there's some bracing under here, and it will, some of it I'm gonna have to get from the underside. But for the most part, this looks pretty good. All right, one of the other things that there's a couple of struts in here. I showed you in the other portion of the video that I wasn't able to cut through all the way. It's not much. So what I'm gonna attempt to do, I did it with this right here. It's gonna work pretty well off camera. Got a little hand saw here, and just so I can keep the line, and I'm gonna go ahead and continue with that. See if I can get it. Ta-da! Magic fingers. All right, here we go. Check it out. Yeah, as I suspected. Big time issues So far, so good. A couple things I'm going to do here. I'm definitely going to have to trim some of this down. Make sure how I'm going to. We'll see. So next. But all right. Generally looks pretty good. I'm pleased. And we'll see. See how it looks when I'm done. Howdy.